Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Full Stack Forex. You already know what it is. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. Guys, as you know, we're continuing with our series. In this video, we're continuing with the trading the Nasdaq using the CNBC strategy. And we're on day, I believe it's day 2. We didn't trade for the past few days, so we're just going to quickly analyze. You can see the time. We normally trade at 3:30 if you've been following along. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's see what's happening on the charts. Let's have a look-see. I'm gonna draw, let's see, something like that. Guys, we're just working with trend lines. It's nothing too, nothing crazy. Looks like we already have some bullish momentum. Let's see what's going on here. Just going back, guys. You'll forgive me, my chart is a bit messy because of the previous days, obviously, that I was analyzing. This looks like a megaphone. For those of you that are familiar with chart patterns, this over here looks like a megaphone. It's widening as we go down, but we'll get into that candlestick patterns. Let's see, we got 1, 2, and 3. There's no perfect trend line, but we're trying here, and then we're going up. Let me check my RSI, and we're right about 70ish. That's okay. Oh, excuse me, guys, coming down with a bit of the flu. Let's go. Hold on. Excuse me. Okay, and we're back. Bullish movement. There's no clear setup today. Hey, let's go back to our CNBC app quickly and just have a look-see. It's loading. I'm gonna go to my watch list, and then what's going on? Okay, there we go. My NAS 100 movers, and refresh. Guys, looks like we're going all the way up. Going all the way up. We've got all green. Amazon plus 57.29 and Tesla plus 3.5. That's all I need, and everything else green, positive change. We're getting in a buy. Not a whew. When we're a bit late to the party, we're just getting. We're just gonna get in. And let's see. We're a little bit late to the party. And let's watch. This is a purely fundamental trade. I must say, this is a fundamental trade. We're only going in based on the fundamentals. Yeah, we're going in purely if you wanna, okay, I guess I see something here. So remember, guys, I've been drawing trend lines for quite a while, so a lot of my trend lines are off of I use the eye test. I'm able to draw trend lines, just see them on the chart mentally, just as they are forming. There we go. You see this is on the 1 hour chart. It's just a little bit off. Let me just move it. This one is going up, going all the way up, going all the way up. There we go. We're going positive. Ooh. And we could draw this one. This is on the 1 hour chart, guys. We normally look at the 15-minute, but I just want, the reason I'm going up to the 1 hour charts is because I want to get a general sense of where the market is going and what's going on. So that's why we look at the bigger time frames. But remember, we are trading a fundamental strategy. So with fundamental strategies, it's more short term than it is long term. That's why we look at the M15. But now I'm looking at the 1 hour just to get a sense of, are we really going up? And in this sense, we are. Let me just get rid of these ones. Okay, this is from my smaller time frames. This is like an old one. I can get rid of that. This is an old trend line, smaller time frames. Just get rid of that. Just clean it up for you guys. Just ignore this one and this one. Those two trend lines. Those are from the M15. And look at that. We should move into profit, but you see, actually, we could have gone into this trade here as this candle was forming at 3 o'clock. But remember, we couldn't get into this trade anyways at this point because the news, or not even the news, the session had not started yet. So it would be very risky to just get in, even though our technicals are agreeing. This thing can reverse, guys. Trading the markets, they're unpredictable. It's unpredictable, or it can be unpredictable. So you don't know which way the session is going to go, but technically this has been looking like a buy. And just throwing in the change there, you see there, I've even got my alarm ringing. Just looking at the change there, um it lets us know that it's positive, that the volume is taking us in a positive direction, that the New York session, we're moving in a positive direction. So, and remember, today is Wednesday, guys. Wednesday. Remember, I said if you guys comment down below in the comment section, I'll make a video telling you guys which days are the best days to trade this strategy. If you've been following along in the videos just follow in the playlist. There should be, I'll put a card up showing you guys the playlist. But there's a playlist that I make. Go to my channel, go to playlist, look at the playlist. If you watch all the videos, you'll notice that there's certain days where we clock money, and there's certain days where it's a bit choppy, it's a bit iffy. So you gotta pay attention. So I'll let you guys know which days those. You know what, I'm gonna just tell you now. We normally trade, I'd say Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are high volatility days typically, right? But there is a website that you can use that shows you which days to trade. So that one, you know what I mean? That's a little spice. That's a little some. I'm saving that. I'm gonna make a video about that, guys. So mind you, I'm noting all this stuff, guys, that I'm telling you. Oh, there we go, we're in profits. So we're gonna make a video just explaining all of that. But for now, you can see we've got a pennant or a triangle forming, almost sort of. I want to say a flag, bullish pennant forming, something like that. And we already broke out here. So the buy actually could have come out here once we broke with the body, but this candle hadn't closed yet. So we couldn't, fully be sure, because here we broke out, but with the wick, here we break out with the body. And right about, somewhere here-ish, that's when the news broke. So this is, where we entered our trade. And then, yeah, we're in this thing, guys. We're in it. We're trading it live. Um, I'm happy. I'm not too. I don't have any problems. I'm looking at my RSI. We're in a good position to go up. Uh, you know, Normally, again, if you guys know how to use the RSI, comment down below. I will make a video on how to trade the RSI. But normally you wanna go. I use 20 when I wanna be very, very accurate. But you can go anything below 30. It's there's possibly a reversal coming. There's a few other things that you look at, but there's possibly a reversal coming. And again, above 70, above 80, there's a reversal coming, as you can see here. you know so now we're playing around the 50 area. It's fine. There's room for us to go up. So now what we want to do, I think I'm going to go back to my CNBC app just to confirm which way we're going, just to confirm what is the market saying. Remember, the chart is an indicator of what the markets are saying, right? So if the market is going up, means if price is going up, means the market is saying there is value here, there is value, and hence they are buying. They're throwing money in. The market's going down. They're saying, hey, we don't think this thing is going to be able to maintain its value. Simple as that, guys. Sometimes you don't have to, overcomplicate things. Is market goes up when there's value, market goes down when there's no perceived value. And beautiful, beautiful. I think we're still gonna go up. We're trading on one of our high volatility days. We're in the right session. Our change is green for all three. Tesla, green, positive. The change is positive. Change on Amazon is positive. All of them. positive. But the main ones we focus on are Tesla and Amazon because they have the highest market capitalization, which means these two companies are the ones that really, really shift um, the markets. So this is kind of like a 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. For some of you that are familiar with that, comment down below and I'll make a video explaining the 80-20 rule and how it applies to Forex. Just quickly in a nutshell, because I know I tease you with it a little bit. 80-20 rule is that 20% of inputs result in 80% of outputs. So yeah, that's what's going on here. So it's all positive. Happy. I'm happy it's still positive. So you want to continuously check here on the charts, right? Because I mean, sorry, not on the charts, here on your CNBC app, because you want to check it at 3:30 exactly on the dot, or 31 minutes past 3, and then keep refreshing, and then check 5 minutes later, is it still the same? Is this, refresh, is it still the same? And another 5 minutes, is it still the same? And you continue doing that just to make sure that the momentum doesn't turn around on you. You see, like now it's turning around a little bit. So we want to go back to our chart and just see um, how the price is reacting. How is the price reacting in this situation? You see, there's a slight reversal. I'm okay with it. Excuse me. Let me just hold on. Okay, yeah, excuse me, guys. I'm coming down with the flu a little bit. Whew. So let's just watch. So again, we want to keep our trades safe. Uh, for the sake of this one, because we saw it on the M15. So I usually like to set my stop loss based on where, I guess. Okay, here's another trend line. I'm going to draw another M15 trend line just in order to get my thingy, my stop loss. Let's go a little bit higher. So yeah, we're gonna keep going, guys. This is a practice thingy. This game is about practice. Sorry, this what we're doing. Trading is all about practice. So us going 30 days in, 21 days in. First is 21 days, then we're gonna go 60 days, then we're gonna go 90 days. For now, we're just doing 30 because it's a nice round number. It's a month, you know. But that's how you build habits. That's how you practice. That's how you perfect the strategy. So now we're currently watching the market, guys. So normally we'd go into profit a lot sooner, but hey, guys, this is the market. Uh, I think I'm going to cut the video here and then I will make a part two. I don't want to make these videos too long. I'll make a part two where I will review the video and I will tell you what else I've done. I want to go on another app. This app right here. This is my Forex Journal app, and this is where I use to clock my trades. And you can see there, and I do that, and then I select the date, long, short. Now we went long. I have a reason for the setup, and then I put my position size, take profit, all of that. But I won't bore you guys with that. I will make a part two of this video, and yeah, that's where I'll give you the results of how this trade went and where I set my stop loss, where I set my take profit, and basically how everything went. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your mother, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell everybody to come check out the channel. Tell everybody you know that's interested in trading the NAS 100, the Nasdaq in the CNBC strategy. Please check out the channel, like, comment, subscribe. This is Full Stack Forex, signing out.